With your feet down on the mat, hug your left knee in, ankle to knee, right hand on your right hip, left hand is pushing that knee away, and feel for your legs. It's practically the same position as when we were doing the figure 4 in that seated pose, yes? Again, as I was saying earlier, a lot of our poses, and I hope you're still pushing on your leg, yes, while I'm talking. A lot of our poses, same pose, different planes. From here, release your left hand on your left knee without letting that knee bounce back forward, yeah? Right foot lifts up to lift both legs closer to you. Left hand in that gap, in that hole of your figure 4. Right hand on the outside and interlace. Gosh, I take the time to really give you step-by-step instructions for the first go-around especially, because then I pare back the instructions and leave it up to you. From here, with every exhalation, trying to bring your legs closer to you without force. Without force. Use your breath. Dorsiflex your ankles, by the way. If you haven't noticed yet, my ankles are in quite strong dorsiflexion. From here, release the pose. Keep your ankle on your knee, arms resting Ala Shavasana beside you. On an exhalation, drop your knees, drop your legs to the left side. So inhale, exhale to the left side. Your right hip will naturally lift off. Just allow that to happen. But your right shoulder blade, your right scapula and arm remain down on the mat. And you're looking neutrally forward or to your right side if your neck is okay. But it's not, it's just an extra twist for the cervical spine. It's not necessary. You can just look forward. Inhale. Exhale, hug and lift your abdominal muscles. That makes your legs a lot lighter to bring them back to center. Release your left ankle from your knee. Hug your knee in, real close to you. Your left leg can remain as it is in a bent knee position, or you can also extend it down on the mat, yeah? However you want to. From here, extend your left leg up towards the ceiling. Support your leg and hug your leg as close to you in this straight position. From here, don't throw your limb. Control your right hand pressing on your right hip. Your left leg out to the left side. You can keep supporting your leg or not, up to you. Left leg sweeps forward. They're very big hip rotations, yes? Now squeeze your left side to lift your leg back up. Reverse that. Forward and down, but not all the way down. Hover it above the mat. Circle it out to the left side. Circle it back up. Good. 2 more. 1 per direction. Left, forward, straight up, vertical. Forward and down, to the left, and back up. Holding on to your leg once again, and bring that leg as close to you as it will allow. Bend your knee, bring your foot back down, and extend. Just take a moment here to let your body feel those movements, yeah? From here, walk your feet back close to you. Hug your knees in Upasana. SI joint massage. Always important, yeah? Always important. From here, left foot down, right ankle, right leg, left leg, right ankle, left leg. Right hand pushing the right knee and the right femur away. Left hand, hip or resting, up to you. Breathe, close your eyes. From here, left foot lifts up and catch your leg. Catch your left leg. With every exhalation, bring that leg, well, both legs really, as close to you as you can. Reset the dorsiflexion of your ankles. From here, release the pose. Keep the figure 4. Relax your arms beside you. On an exhalation, legs drop to the right side. Breathing. Feel that lengthening again in your QLs, your sides, your iliopsoas muscles. On an exhalation, squeeze your abdominal muscles to bring your legs back to center. Release your right ankle from your left leg. Catch your right knee underneath and extend. If you extended your leg previously, do that now. If you kept it bent, keep it bent. So just replicate what you did earlier, essentially. Bring that leg as close to you as your joints will allow. Don't be afraid of effort. Yes, effort is necessary for anything, but don't give in to either fear nor the ego. Yeah? From here, release your hold on your leg. Left hand can support your hip or both arms just beside the body. Right leg out to the right side. Just 4 alternating circles. Sweep forward. I need to adjust because of the wall. Squeeze your right side to lift your leg up. We are using the psoas here. Yes? Forward. Bringing the psoas. And a bit of a lengthening, but mostly neutral. Out to the right side. And back up. It's like a quarter globe. Out to the right. Forward. Hover that leg up. Lift it back up. Last one. Forward and down. To the right. And back up. Catch your leg. Support your leg once again with your hands. And on an exhalation, bring that leg as close to you as it will allow. From here, release the pose. Hug both knees in. Bring your feet down. Extend your arms beside the body. Middle fingers at least brushing onto your Achilles, yeah? But if you can bring your feet really close to you, that's good too. Holding on to the heels, yeah? Or as close to you as you can. But palms down on the mat. Squeeze or walk your scapula under the body. Tilt the hips, pubis pointing up, and up is always towards the face, yeah? From here, excuse me. It's hard to talk in this pose. On an exhalation, push through your legs to lift the hips up in a shallow bridge pose. Look up towards the ceiling if you can. Well, actually, you are very strongly encouraged to just listen to the instructions here as soon as your hips lift. From here, on an exhalation, roll your spine down on the mat. Now, even I won't turn my head to look at the camera for the higher bridge poses, yes? So listen to the instructions. Don't be tempted to turn your head just to look at your device or your television. Let's set ourselves. Palms and arms pressing down. Hips tilt. Push your hips up. Walk your scapula under your body. If you want to, you're welcome to interlace your fingers, but bring the heels of your hands as close together as they can, because coming into 90 degrees, there's a strong pulling sensation in this pose. Good. Walking the scapula as close together as you can, pushing strongly through the legs to lift the hips up. But your upper back remains down on the mat. We're not lifting up that high. Good. From here, release your hands if you interlace them under your body. Roll your spine down. Don't look, just listen. Roll your spine down, vertebrae by vertebrae, until they're down on the mat. Good. Before lifting back up, soft window wipes side to side. Still don't look. Still don't look. Just listen. Yeah? Just listen. Last one. Last bridge. We're not doing high bridge. We're just staying low with the arms down beside the body, or mid-height with the fingers interlaced under the body. The important thing is to keep that space around your neck. So we're not doing chin to chest, yes? Keep space behind the neck as well. So fully around your neck. Back of the head is pressing down into the mat. You're looking forward. You are not turning your head. So feet, reset your legs, reset your feet. Feet also one hip width distance. Arms beside the body. Don't look at your device or your television. Just listen. Tilt your hips. Pubis pointing up towards the face. Push down through your legs. Lift the hips up. Walk the scapula under your body. Choose your arm position. And finish by pushing even more strongly through your legs to lift the hips up nice and high. We don't have to hold on to our hips. Just here. Just here. And breathe. Don't look. Close your eyes even. Close your eyes. No higher than mid-height bridge. If your fingers and arms are bound, release. Roll your spine down. Don't look until your hips are down on the mat. Rolling all the way down. Good. Now you can look. Now you can turn your head. Actually, let's do that. Let's just turn the head side to side. And let's window wipe the legs as well. You can alternate where your head and knees are pointing, or do it on the same side. It's fine. Whichever comes naturally to you. Yoga shouldn't be so prescriptive, yeah? I'm only what's the word? Strict when it comes to safety issues. Other than that, customize it, make it a bespoke pose to your body, to your state of mind, to your state of emotions. Hug the knees in. SI joint massage. We're done. We're just doing our last SI joint massage and last window wiping of the knees as we walk the legs forward. Yeah? Feet on the edges of your mat. Adjust yourself as you need to. Palms up. Feel your upper body in a mountain pose, just on a different plane. That is what Shavasana is. Soft window wipes of the knees. curl your toes, walk your feet forward until we are down on the mat, fully down. Close your eyes. Present Ujjayi breath still. And then gradually soften it. And drop into your Shavasana.